Hello everyone, I'm going to throw it back again. Let's try something different thing so I'm not taking your time. So I got a free interesting plugin that will help you that says they will help you to create a force SSL without any challenge, but there is some limitation. If you are using a Linux server, Linux hosting, definitely that will help you to get this free SSL. And the fact is, and if you're using the Windows hosting, then definitely it will not work, and they claim they will do that automatically. After the SSL expiration time, they will install the SSL certificate for free without any hassle. Okay, fine, and they are promising very quite. This is very interesting. It seems very interesting. So I was wondering, I have my testing server. This is my gtharupda.com wp.it. This is my testing subdomain. This it's SSL has expired now, so I want to renew it. So before doing that, I was trying to find a free solution. So I know Cloudflare giving a free solution because this is my testing server, my staging website, or whatever you say. So like that, maybe I have straightened the password, but I forget it. Yeah, it's working now. Okay, now this is my testing server. So I use it for testing several plugins here and there. So now I like to add this plugin according to their search activation installation process. I am just copying this keyword phrase and search it here. Let's check it. What I am getting now is that the same plugin. Yes, this is the superhero. Just hit install button. Okay, finger crossed. What happened next? I have a Cpanel access. I am using Namecheap. They are doing great. So according to their process, I have Cpanel access and auto install free SSL. Okay, let's check. Activate. This says issue. Okay, fine. My country is Bangladesh. State of Dhaka. Organization not needed. Here is my Cpanel. Together. Here is my Cpanel home directory. Oh shit! This one. I'm giving a unique name, so not include. SSL expire. IP address you're hosting. Is your hosting control Cpanel? Yes. Okay, IP address. What is the IP address? Let's check. You can get the IP address from here. Last login IP address. This is the shared IP address. Check it. Cross check it. Same. Are you using any Cloudflare or any other CDN? I'm not. Currently my SSL is expired CDN. There is no CDN certificates and nothing is here. No CDN plugin. Let's check again. SVG export SSL. I have no CDN. Okay, I agree. Okay, save changes. Let's go. Okay, now it comes the Cpanel settings. What is with the Cpanel URL? So here is your Cpanel link. Just copy it here and paste it here. Password, save. Okay, now I want to exclude domains because I don't want to use domain on these servers, because right now I have SSL certificates and something on there, so I want to use only for wp.gtharupda and www.gtharupda.com, not the gtharupda.com as well. So save changes. Okay, issue and install free SSL certificate. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have to add a cron job. I'm adding a cron job. So to add the cron job, just hit the cron job button or add the cron job. It will do it automatically, but there is a challenge. Sometimes it's not working perfectly. So to do that, you have to click the button, and then there is a code of there is a tutorial. If you facing a problem, you can use that, see that, and then you have to jump on your cpanel setting and search for the cron job or jobs. It will direct you to that, and then just you have to set let's moving forward, you have to set a 24-hour time zone, and then you have to select for security purpose. I am just using, and you have to paste the copied link from the previous section, and you have to share your email address where you will get the details informations of your cron job update status update, cron job status update. Now check the new cron job, add new cron job. We are doing the manual process, so all set. Now moving forward, here it's go. This is the last line of these settings. This is our cron job. We have added our cron job here. Now moving back to our website, cron job is done. Now click the go back button and wait for a while. Sometimes it will take 24 hours to get the SSL certificate, depends on your hosting company request and cpanel request, but most of the cases you will get according to your cron job settings. So let's see what happened to us actually in the right moment. Okay, wait for a while, it will take some time to get the job. Oh, finally it's here. You will get this kind of message in your WordPress dashboard after hitting getting the free SSL, and you will get an email from the server, and this is the whole process you will get. Now check it again, and you have to hit the active SSL, force SSL HTTPS. Actually it will replace all your data. Now check, we are checking the SSL from our hosting panel. Okay, all good. The email address already checking that. Okay, all things are great, working perfectly, we have done perfectly, but the fact is we are not getting the SSL certificate in our, the log button is not able. Or we also check we have the SSL certificate. To check that, fix that, we have to jump on the site health. It's a WordPress default feature. From here you can fix the mixed content issue. If you have any forced HTTP code in your database, then it will fix here, you can fix it here, but there is nothing here. We have checked everything, but there is another solution. We can find it from there. So which one is we like to use, or we have checked all the data from, you can check from here. Nothing found here, all things are good according to WordPress, but we need to cross check again because we are not getting the padlock. So now we have to search for a plugin. This is a better search on the add new section, and write the better search on there, and on the right side of the when you will get the better search and replace, click the unactivate button. Now we have installed the better search plugin. To get that, we have to jump on the tool settings. From the tools you will get the better search and replace settings panel. First of all, we are checking the HTTP, not replacing that, just checking all good or not. The search the exact match, nothing shown, but for betterment we just want to replace in that parameter actually HTTP clone, then double slash, and force it will replace it. Now it's confirmed our database is fully HTTPS. There is no HTTP link. All are done, but I don't know what happened. Let's check it from www.cheetah.com. Hey, come on, I'm getting it here. Shit, it's already here. I was thinking like that. This is the browser cache. I'm going mad. Okay, that might be an issue for you as well. So this is the browser cache. This is not, I have to clean my browser cache. In incognito it's working fine. So as I have searched for here, there is no HTTPS, and also the tool from the default WordPress tools, the site help, that will definitely help you to get that option. So is that any mixed content, or definitely that will fix you the force SSL HTTPS. So okay, fine, this tool is working great, but you have to be a bit more technical. They said you don't need to be technical, but there is a technical challenge because you have to handle it from server end. So this is the free SSL certificate, but they are looking for some upgrading their prices. So that's good because this plugin had to maintain for many reasons, so many things. I like that, but if they are managed it by as a buy me a coffee, that is $5 or something like that, no one will be bothered with that, because the Namecheap SSL, if I go for Namecheap, they are always giving for SSL, where is the SSL, sorry, WordPress email app security SSL certificates. You can get it here $5.96 or $7 for a year. So why, if you buy it from here, definitely you will get, it's not a big deal. It's for 5 years, or for 1 year you will get, it will charge you $10, renew at $12. So if you buy it for 5 years, then they blend 30 bucks. 30 bucks, it's not a big deal. If you want to buy it as a 30 bucks, and you can get it for a whole year of, and also you will buy Namecheap SSL from they will give offer in the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you can buy from that time. So if you buy and save it for yourself and do your work, what I actually do, this is the Namecheap give you a freedom for do your work in the best price, for best value for price. So that's it. So if you want to get a free SSL, but they are not giving me a free SSL for a long time anymore, and I don't know when they will give you stop giving support for the free version, because they are still working. And what is the date? I hardly, this is a year ago. You can see now, you can see this is on December 3rd 2020. They give that reply, but now still there is no pricing or anything. So I hope they will figure out something, or I think the bigger plugin company can buy this tool, and or hosting service provider can buy this tool and help them. That's it. So this is all about for today. If you want to get a free SSL certificate for now, so you can use this tool. This is very easy to configure, and I have already shared. You can check it from there and do it for yourself. And they have a pretty much their videos on every page. Is not here, you can watch this video. I'll give the link on the description as well, so you can get the details. Also you can check the how to set the cron job video, then that's a very easy. So you can do it for yourself if you're using a Cpanel. Okay, that's it from my end, my dear buddies. So hope you're doing great. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.